Hello, the MSc Biotechnology Research is a one-year full-time master's level course from Ulster University, and here are the top reasons to pursue this course. The MSc Biotechnology Research course at Ulster University has been specially designed for students who wish to pursue a flourishing career in the field of biosciences, focusing on biotechnology research, biopharmaceutics and other prominent bioindustry divisions. Biomedical Sciences Research Institute at Ulster University is dedicated towards conducting research for the development, prevention, diagnosis and treatment of numerous diseases. Out of 94 universities in the UK, Research Excellence Framework 2014 Biomedical Sciences Research Institute has made it to the top 5 list for its authentic research in the field of biomedical sciences. Research Excellence Framework 2014 stated that 100% of the research environment is world-leading for the students pursuing this course. 95% of the biotechnology research impact was recognized as world-leading and internationally excellent in Research Excellence Framework 2014. This course is taught in Coleraine in the north coast of Northern Ireland. Through student well-being, Ulster University offers guidance and support to the students who seek personal and professional help. 81% of the research papers were found to be world-leading and internationally excellent as per Research Excellence Framework 2014. Let us have a look at the key eligibility criteria for MSc Biotechnology Research at Ulster University. Let me take you through the career opportunities with this unique MSc Biotechnology Research at Ulster University, UK. A research-oriented program that strives to prepare students for job opportunities in well-renowned bioscience companies with a fantastic starting salary. Through this course, postgraduate students also continue to work on personal, professional and intellectual development, which is beneficial for forthcoming career prospects. Skilled biotech experts teach the students about new technologies, advanced laboratory methods, problem solving and research evolving in the biotechnology research area. This degree prepares the students to work in research positions at reputed biotech firms, or one can also choose a PhD degree in the area of their choice. Core biotechnology topics are taught to the students through lectures, seminars, laboratory sessions, group work, module assignments, problem-based learning, and private studies. The MSc Biotechnology Research from Ulster University will help you in learning extraordinary skills and overall development. Let me share some interesting insights. Intellectual research-led topics such as stem cell technology, genetic modification techniques, novel diagnostic technologies, and current advances and innovations in biofuels and bioprotein are taught to the students pursuing this course. Research-active academics teach students problem-based and research-informed topics. Implementation of the professional practice module helps students to work on personal development alongside gaining detailed knowledge of professional practice in the developing of biosector fields. There are multiple benefits of studying MSc Biotechnology Research from Ulster University. Let me share some of them. Students work on a dissertation project in the 3rd semester of their studies with an international biotech research group, that is Biomedical Sciences Research Institute, situated at the university campus. Internationally recognized experts provide in-depth training in the field of biotechnology research to the students. There is a strong emphasis on advanced theoretical and practical skills, which help students gain thorough knowledge about the field of biotechnology research. Fundamental research skills in relevance with the biotechnology and biomedical sciences are also taught to the students so that they can apply them within their workplaces in future. 25% of their professors, 20% of their senior lecturers and 55% of their lecturers are members and fellows of Higher Education Academy, UK, teaching the students about the well-known aspects of this course. Students will receive consistent feedback from the experts based on their academic performance throughout the study period. Assessments are conducted through the written coursework and examinations. Essays, seminar papers, written tests, oral presentations, and group discussions also form crucial parts of the coursework assessments. Let's go through the core modules you will be studying with MSc Biotechnology Research, Ulster University. Advanced Biotechnology and Bioinformatics. Current topics in biotechnology research, scientific methods and communication, professional practice, biotechnology research project. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from Ulster University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.